These are my Unit 7 case problems. I'm going to go ahead and start out and say that I've commented out a bunch of old code from older assignments. They did nothing but get in the way. This week I've only added a few new things. So valid event length is 4. So our event contract length, we now have parameters for it. Can't be more than 4 characters long. First character needs to be a letter. Last 3 need to be digits. So we go down here. I've also added phone number. So down here I've edited the set event number. And we go down here. If the event number length is not equal to 4, um, and then it gives you all these parameters. This is just saying first letter has to be a letter, the last 3 have to be digits, and I just repeat that code for the last 3 in the index. And then our default is this right here, A000. Then our event number, if the first letter is lowercase, it converts it to uppercase. Down here, our phone number methods. So getting that string, formatting it with parentheses for the first 3, for the area code. Next 3, then dash the last 4. And down here, we're just getting the phone number pretty much. And just getting what we need from it, checking that it's 10 digits long. And if it's not, our default is going to be just 10 zeros. Next, in event demo, I've added this line right here, and this is just to get the phone number that the guests enter, or the people enter, whatever, in that format that we need it to be in. Commented out code. All right, and I forgot to mention up here, but I call in the get phone number, and that's this method down here. Getting the contract phone number. That's like getting that input from the user and returning it and running it through that through event, and then back down to here where we're outprinting contract or contact number listed is, and then prints it out right there. This assignment was the exact same, and that I only added the same exact things, just changed the wording around. So valid contract length is 4, user phone number. Our default is going to be the A00. Again, here we are checking first character is a letter, and the last 3 are digits. Nothing new there. Converting to uppercase for that first letter. Down here, our phone number is the exact same code. And same thing with the demo. I've just gone up here and added these 3 lines. Uh, Getting the contract number. That's an older one. Getting the phone number down here, exact same as the last one, and then adding it right here after it runs through rental. So let's go ahead and run both of these. All right, so we'll say lowercase a 1, 2, 3, a valid contract length or contract, yeah. Number guess, or say 50. What's a good number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. Number of the second event, we'll just say B. We know that's not valid. Number of guess, 50. Good number, we'll say 1. We know that's not valid. Number of the third event, we'll say not valid event. 50 guessed, and let's give them a good phone number this time. Okay. So our first contract was A123. 50 guessed, blah, blah, blah. Phone number formatted exactly the way we want it to. And then we go down here, we entered in an incorrect one, incorrect contract number, and an incorrect phone number, and our defaults were printed out. Then C, we entered a wrong, or the third one, we entered the wrong contract, and then our phone number came out correctly. Let's do the same thing for rental demo. Let's say X123, 60 minutes. Good contact numbers. We'll say that this one's a good one too. 60 minutes. We'll give this just a random number. And our third one, let's give it a embed contract number. Let's give this one a good one too. Okay, so our first one, we had lowercase x123, and our phone number was formatted correctly. We gave this one in 567, and we did not give it a good phone number, so it gives a default. We did not give a good contract number on this one, and it gave us the default, but we did give a good phone number. And that's it for this week.